guys, welcome to my channel. Today my client is back after 5 weeks with these Sanrio nails, and today I'm going to give her the nightmare before Christmas nails of her dreams. I'm using my 120 grit pink sanding bands from my website to prep her, and then I'm dehydrating and priming with Valentino Beauty Pure's primer and dehydrator. First, I add a clear layer of Not Polish's clear acrylic to the base of her nail, and then I go ahead and cover it, which I forgot to record, cover that clear with my custom glitter acrylic mix. After that, I trap the glitter acrylic in with another bead of clear, and then just to balance out this fill, because it's been so long, I add another bead towards the end middle area of the nail and just flick my brush up and add some more structure to this nail because it's looking all wanky. And after a while of having the nails grown out, you need to kind of restructure the nails, and that's why sometimes fills take just as long as a full set. So make sure that you're charging a lot more when fills are a lot more grown out. Here's my application before file and shaping, and I'm now going in with my 80/80 grit file, also from my website, and just crisping up this shape. I don't have any method to filing, so don't ask me. I can't teach you. I swear, I feel like I'm still learning how to shape myself, and that's the next thing that I want to perfect. I'm finishing off her acrylic using my Work It bit that's also available on my website in the Y2K bit kit collection. And I'm just smoothing her out with my pink buffers. Now this is the inspiration art that we're using for her nail art, and we're definitely switching it up a bit. I switched all the colors and switched up the design a little bit also. I'm going to use these pretty jelly colors for the base. You see me wiping the sides here because it helps remove the excess that run onto the side of the nail, and that can screw up the crisp shape of your nails. Now first, I'm painting Jack Skellington. I'm using my white liner gel, and I'm filling in the inside with my just regular whiteout gel polish. I don't like filling in big areas with liner gel. Liner gel is made strictly for details and line work. You can do big areas with liner gel, but it takes forever to drag across the nail, and also if you do it too thick, you can have wrinkling because liner gel is such a thick and pigmented product. Next, I'm taking my amazing, I can't stress this enough, amazing black liner gel. It's called Baddest Black from my website, and we're just gonna get the little, what are these things called? Shoulder pad thingies on Jack, and do the little part down here on his body as well. Okay, so the two brushes that you'll see me using in this video are the 9mm brush and the Hella Cute liner brush. The Hella Cute liner brush is the longer one, and then the 9mm liner brush is the shorter one, and I love them both just as much as each other. Like, I don't love any brush more than the other. I feel like the Hella Cute liner brush is really good for filling in big areas and doing really long strokes, and then the 9mm you can pretty much use for everything. Now I've added his two eyes. I'm gonna do 2 little dots for the nose, and we're gonna add his mouth. I apologize for the blurriness. By the way, you guys, I have got to find something else to record on. Recently I bought the iPhone 14, and although I like it, I don't love it. It wants to focus on my glove when I'm painting nail art, which is just so annoying. And that's also another reason why I kind of like to use the Hella Cute liner brush the whole time when I do lives and stuff, is because it tends to focus more on my finger that's closer when I use this 9mm brush. It's just so annoying. You guys can find everything that I used in this video on my website. I'm gonna list every single thing that I used today on the description below, so make sure you check that out. There will also be a discount code in there as well. Now it's time to whip out one of my favorite products in the world. It's my shading gel. I'm using the black shading gel, and I'm just adding some shading in places that make the most sense for me. I love shading. It takes your character art to a whole nother level. It really makes your art stand out and pop. It gives it definition, makes it look more 3D. I'm adding some stripes and detail on his outfit with the white liner gel. And later you guys will see me use that shading gel again. There wasn't much shading on him that I could do. But just wait until you see the other characters and you'll see just how amazing that product is. Now I'm taking that black liner gel. I'm just gonna bold out around the character. I like all the inside detail to be thinner and then the outside to be a lot more bold. This is my little baby blender brush that you're seeing me make this mistake look better. Clean it up with, I mean. This is the best brush for cleaning up mistakes and blending and shading small areas. Again, this is the little baby blender brush you see me fixing my mistake with. I kind of slowed this down so you guys can see what we did on Jack, and now we're gonna move on to Sally. Yo, my voice just cracked. I meant to say Sally, but I swear I'm getting over being sick, and it's like sometimes it knocks the wind out of me just talking. Now we're gonna do Sally. I'm an idiot and I forgot to record this part, so here it is. Slow down, pause it, do what you gotta do, and copy this outline if you're following along with me. She is not as hard as she looks as long as you lay down the foundation. I got the foundation all drawn out with her using the shading gel. Now, the shading gel isn't just for shading, honey. It's also for sketching. And I prefer to sketch out my characters when I can see it on a lighter surface like white or like a lighter color. You can see the sketch better with the shading gel. And the reason being is because if you need to fix a little bit, tweak a little bit of something or change something later, the line isn't as black and you'll be able to fix it and yeah, mask that a lot easier, any mistakes you make. For her hair, I used Rave Girl. For her skin, I mixed that shit. I made that color. The yellow is highlighter and the green over there is Trollin. This purple is Purple Haze, and then this orange is Forever Young. All the gel polishes are also available on my website. By the way, if you're new to nail art and I have to tell you this and you don't know, yes, you should be curing in between each one of these colors, because if not, they're all just gonna bleed into each other and you're gonna be like, what the hell did I do wrong? Now using that shading gel, I'm just adding some detail on her hair, and we're gonna go in with the Baddest black liner gel, and now we're just going to go and add some detail in her eyes and her facial features. This was really, really hard to record, especially this other eye that's on the right. You won't even see me do the lashes, but just know the lashes, just make them flaky. We did her nose, we did her mouth, and I'm gonna add some stitching on her mouth next. This was also blurry. I'm so sorry, but you get the point. Look at it. Now I'm just gonna start outlining everything around her face, her neck, and her outfit. We're gonna do some detail down on her outfit as well. When that's all said and done, just add the two tiniest little dots on her eyes. And if you want to add some shading on her, you can. I think I just only did some on her neck, but she turned out super cute. Now we're moving on to my personal favorite of this set. I love how the Oogie, I cannot talk today. I love how the Oogie Boogie came out. It was so cute. Wait until you see it. I got the outline using the Level Up white liner gel, and then I'm just going in with my bottle gel polish whiteout to save some time, and because I know I'm going to paint all this in a minute. The reason I do white first is because it really makes colors pop. I don't care what anybody says. It's always going to make your neons even brighter than they already are without the white first. Again, I'm just going in with my black liner gel. We're going to get his eyes first, and then I kind of mapped out where his mouth was going. He's too hard to explain how I painted him, so just watch, follow along, do what you got to do, and yeah. I tried to record as many steps as I could because I really want you guys to try this nail art. If you do, tag me. Tag me on your Instagram or TikTok or wherever the hell you post. And I want to see your creations. I want to see you guys try this. And it's not only good for Halloween. I mean, this is a Christmas movie, so you better get started. I better be seeing you guys try this, and you better be tagging me. You better be. Also, if you guys are enjoying this video and you want to see more tutorials like this, please leave me a like. and leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel. It really helps other people find this channel and push me to continue to keep doing this. It's so hard to get views on YouTube. I don't know why. I don't have a problem with it on like TikTok and Facebook and Instagram, but I know it's just because I have to stay more consistent on here, and that's what I plan on doing. So I appreciate you guys watching this video. Now I'm taking that shading gel, and this is where it's going to take him to the next level, you guys. I added it around the eyes and in just different places. As you can see, it really looks cool right here in the mouth and under his chin area, and I'm just so obsessed with how he came out. At the end, you're going to see the final reveal, so stay tuned. All right, I'm going to be honest. I don't know who the fuck is who. I know that Lock, Shock, and Barrel are the little kids that are creepy as hell. I also have another confession. I've only seen Nightmare Before Christmas twice, and I really didn't love it. I mean, it was cool. It was aesthetically cool, but I can't really get into it. It's too much singing. I don't know. I do like the "Something's Up with Jack, Something's Up with Jack" song, but other than that, I could not tell you who is who when it comes to these little kids. Lock, Shock, and Barrel. I don't know who the hell I'm painting right now. All I know is he was looking creepy as hell until I finally started adding his teeth and everything like that. I added some white little scratchy details around the eyes, and the teeth were the funnest part for me. Oh my gosh. Usually teeth are really hard, but these were just like little round chubs, and I have pretty good control using this 9mm brush, so they weren't too hard for me. At the bottom, I figured a way easier to paint these teeth. I was like, let me just connect it to the white down here, and then I'm just gonna separate it later with a black line, and it's gonna be so much easier than trying to paint them individually. I should have done that with the top row too, but you know, I like to make things hard for myself. Down here, his outfit was super fun to do. I love doing little bones on his outfit. I don't know, something about black and white art always looks so cool. I'm just obsessed with it. And to finish him off, all we had to do was I used the color Glowstick in my gel polishes for the inside of his eyes, and then we just added 2 little dots and he was done. So cute. All right, moving on to the next. I don't even know his name. Once again, he was a weird one. I'm just starting with a white base. Sometimes I like to sketch it first. Sometimes I like to do the white base. If it's more of an easy shape, I just do the white base because I don't really need to have a perfect sketch at first. For his hair, we're using Forever Young from my Stop Trippin' gel collection. And for his outfit down at the bottom, we're gonna use the color Rave Girl. We're gonna use the gel color Purple Haze around his eyes. And then we're gonna fill in the mouth using the black liner gel. I added some scratchy little details down here on his outfit, and then we're gonna add some detail up into his hair. I also filled the inside of his eye, I don't know if I said this already, with Glowstick. And now I'm going to go and just, you know, get all the details in his face using the black liner gel. Something about sharp teeth I just love doing. Oh my god, they're so satisfying. Look at these little pointy, perfect little teeth. Ah! So much fun. Finishing his eyes with 2 little dots, and look how creepy cute he is. I can't stand it. The last of the creepy kids, which I still don't know their names. I'm just using my shading gel to get a quick sketch outline. I think I mixed a tiny bit of black into the shading gel so it was a little darker so you could see it on camera. I filled in his hat with Purple Haze, and now I'm just using my white gel polish to fill in his outfit and his face. Filling in down here with the Purple Haze as well, and now I'm just gonna get the outline and all the sketching in with the black shading gel. We did some funky little makeup shits around his eye using the color Bad Trip blue. And now we're just gonna bold out around his eye. He had a funky little outfit down here that we're gonna do with black. And then we're just gonna get the rest of the bold outlining around his head. This was kind of hard to see, but he has some scraggly little hairs. So I just added his scraggly little hairs on both sides of his head. And then up here, you couldn't see either. This stupid phone, I swear it sucks. So I just slowed down and showed you what I just did on his hat. Now, God didn't like him because God gave him little chiclet teeth. Literally just little tiny chiclet teeth. Nothing fun, just chiclets. And voila, he's beautiful. Now, we thought we were gonna be done with characters, but I was like, wait, what about the dog? What about the mare? So we had to add both. Now, the angles that I had to do on him were pretty intense. So I didn't really get to record this one as clear as the others. So I'm gonna kind of just pause it in little places so you guys can see what I did. Since he's pretty much just black and white, what's really gonna take him to the next level is this shading gel. I promise you guys, it's gonna just, look at that. It makes it look so much cooler. On his collar, I use the color Rave Girl to tie in with the rest of the pinks on the set. And using Forever Young, we just added a little nose. Now, last but not least, we have to paint the mayor. Now, this color, the nude color, is from my new complexion collection. It is Baby Doll. We painted the mayor half white and half nude. You'll see why. I think in the movie, if I remember correctly, he is half and half sometimes. He's like two personalities or something. So after adding a little hat up here, we're gonna just add his little black suit down here. And actually the suit is gray and black, but you'll see that in a minute. Drawing out his little scraggly looking nose situation he's got going on. And we're gonna draw out his mouth. Now the mouth is gonna be two different angles and two different styles. And I really love how he came out. Wait till you see it, it's so cool. By the way, for this part, I'm using the Hella Cute liner brush. Look at how thin these lines are, you guys. It's insane. I'm just filling in the inside of the mouth over here. And I'm gonna do this swirly situation up here on his eye. I forgot to record, but I outlined the eye over here with purple haze. And then for this inside of his mouth over here, I'm using the color Glowstick. His tie is a spider. I never even realized that. All this detail. So much fun to paint these characters. Oh my gosh. And I really enjoy doing these teeth. The line work on the teeth, I can't even deal. The gray I'm using down here is Gravedigger gel polish, and the blue I'm gonna put on his hat is Bad Trip. Now for the thumbs, we just kind of wanted to tie in the rest of the nails, so we did some white drips in over top to make them really pop. We added the color Rave Girl. I love how the thumbs came out. The colors together look super pretty, and this color is poppin'. Are you guys ready for this reveal? Because I am. Look at these nails, you guys. I have no words. Fill and art took 3.5 hours. I surprised myself. We did 8 characters, y'all. And I had to repair 2 nails on her right hand. If you guys like this video, do me a favor. Please like and subscribe or leave me a comment. Actually, you know what? Leave me a comment on what I should do on the next video on my nails. Like, what theme should I paint on my nails, you guys? And I'll be replying back to one of you guys' comments. And I'll be putting the comment in the next video on the screen, whoever I pick. Once again, you guys, like and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in another video soon. I hope you enjoyed this video. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.